Hello, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Boombi. Fall is in the air and sweet potatoes are in season. So today I will show you how to make an easy sweet potato breakfast hash or a sweet potato sabzi as we say in India. At the same time I will share with you an useful tip at the end of this video. So stay tuned. The ingredients required for this recipe are 2 sweet potatoes, which is about 378 grams or a little less than a pound. I have taken 1 red and a yellow bell pepper. You can use any colored bell peppers or capsicum of your choice. 1 green chili, it's optional. 1 medium sized onion, 2 cloves of garlic and coriander leaves or cilantro. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and finally 3 tablespoons of oil. Here I have used olive oil. Now let's start our prep. Wash the sweet potatoes very well. Cut the 2 ends of the sweet potato and peel them. Be very careful while cutting sweet potatoes as they are a bit hard. Cut them into small cubes. Always use a sharp knife to cut your vegetables. Cutting with a dull knife is really very dangerous. Crush the cloves of garlic and chop them finely. I have chopped the bell peppers into small pieces and will use 1 cup. Similarly, take 1 cup of chopped onions. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan on high heat and add the sweet potatoes. Stir them for a minute. Then add half teaspoon of salt and stir everything very well. Then cover the pan. Keep it covered on low heat for 5 minutes so that the sweet potatoes steam and softens a little. After 5 minutes uncover, add the bell peppers, the onions, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi and stir everything very well. Sweet potatoes are very good for your health, so try to include them often in your diet. Stir everything very well. Then add chopped green chili. I like this thing a little spicy, but you can leave out the green chilies. Stir everything very well. Then add 1 tablespoon of oil and even out the sweet potatoes with your spoon. Even it in 1 layer and on medium heat keep it covered. In the meantime, for 10 minutes. Dry roast the cumin seeds on very low heat. As I always say, I love to grind my spices fresh as I feel we get the most flavor in this way. But you can easily skip this step and use store-bought cumin powder instead. So finally 10 minutes done. Add the chopped garlic and then add half teaspoon of salt. Give it a stir. I always add the garlic at the end because I've seen if I add it in the beginning then sometimes the garlic gets burnt and the whole thing turns bitter. Here you can see the sweet potato has turned soft as well. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and add chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. Give it a final stir and then your breakfast sweet potato hash is done. How easy is that? Serve it with a poached egg by the side or you can have it as it is. Now finally coming to my tip, how to store cilantro or coriander leaves. When you bring cilantro or coriander leaves from the store, then take out any bad or brown leaves from the bunch, but do not wash the leaves. Take a container, fill it up 1/4 with water and put the cilantro bunch inside the water. See to it that only the bottom tip is touching the water. Put a plastic bag on top and then put the whole thing inside the refrigerator. In this way, your cilantro leaves will stay fresh for over 2 weeks. So hope you will like the recipe. The ingredient proportions are given in the description box below. And guys, I would like to hear your comments. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button below. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.